Hi, welcome back to my channel. If your electric drill is making weird noises, feeling rough, it might be time for some maintenance. Today, I'll show you how to properly grease your drill to keep it running smoothly. Let's get started. Here are some of the items that you'll require: a screwdriver, machine grease, a clean cloth, a small brush, or cotton swab. First, unplug your drill or remove the battery. Then, use a screwdriver to carefully remove the screws and open the casing. Remember to keep track of the screws so you don't lose them. Inside, you'll see the gears and the bearings near the motor. This is where we'll apply the grease. But before we begin applying the grease, you need to remove the old dirty grease using a spatula, cloth, or cotton swabs. Take a small amount of grease. Less is more. Apply it to the gears and bearings evenly. Avoid overgreasing, as too much can attract dust and dirt. Use a cloth to wipe away any excess grease. This helps in keeping everything clean and efficient. Now, put the casing back on, tighten the screws, and give it a test run. Perfect! That's how you grease your electric drill like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one. Happy drilling!